Hello children, hope all of you have seen the previous video in which we saw addition with regrouping of ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, now we are going to see adding bigger numbers, estimating the answer of an addition problem and story problems. Okay, that is word problems. So now as you know, addition of 3-digit numbers, same concept is there for 4-digit number also. So I am not going to explain it in detail. Hope you can do it by yourselves, right? Now we'll move on to the next topic, estimating the answer of an addition problem. So we will learn how to estimate the answer when adding numbers. Okay, as we have learned estimation in the previous chapter itself, that is rounding off numbers, we have learned in the previous chapter itself. So now when we estimate, we don't need to have the exact answer, right? So that we will get the answer which is close to the exact number. For example, if someone is asking how many children are there in your society, so how will you know that how many children are there in your society? You will not be sure of that number. So you will say there will be around 200 children in our society. That's a assumed number. It's just not the exact number, it's just an estimated number. That is called as estimation, right? So now we will see how we are going to use that estimation concept in your addition. Okay, now they have given an example. Mr. and Mrs. Kalyan went shopping for items for their new house. They had several things to buy in the furniture shop. They wanted to buy a table and a chair within a budget of rupees 1500. There were tables and chairs of different prices. So they have given the prices also. The tables are of price 775 rupees, 600 rupees and 920 rupees. And the chairs price 425 rupees, 1200 rupees and 720 rupees. So here they have given price of different tables and chairs. Okay, so now we have to find one they are going to select because their budget is only rupees 1500, right? Now they wanted to decide which table and chair will fit in their budget. So what we are going to do is we are going to estimate this numbers to nearest hundreds. As we have learned in the previous lesson, see here, this 5 is a strong number. Okay, sorry, the 7. When you are going to round off to nearest 100, which number we are going to see? We are going to see the number which is in tens place, right? So this 7 is in tens place. It's a strong number, so this number is going to make this 8. Okay, so this 775 will become 800, right? And here the 600 is already a rounded off figure, so no need to do anything with the 600. Here 920, again the number which is in tens place is 2. It's a weak number. So this 9 will remain same and this 2 is going to become 0. So the rounded off figure of the price of table will be 800, 600 and 900 respectively. And the price of chairs, if you see, 425. This 2 in tens place, it's a weak number. So this 4 will remain same and this 2, 525 together, it's a weak number. So it will become 0. So this number is going to be 400. 1200 is already a rounded off figure, so it will remain the same. Again 722 is a weak number which is in tens place. So this 2020 will become 0 and this 7 will remain the same. So 720 will again become 700. So now they wanted to decide which table and chair will fit in their budget. To find this, they need not add both prices accurately. No need to add the prices accurately. They only need an estimation. So what they are going to do, now let us round off these numbers to nearest 100. And as we have rounded off these numbers already, we got these numbers. So which one will fit in their budget? See here, 800 plus 400 is 1200. 800 plus 1200 will become 2000. 800 plus 700, it's 1500. Yeah, it came in their budget, right? So now what we are going to do is, now if you add 800 plus 700, it will be 1500, which is their estimated budget. So they can buy a table of price 775 and a chair of price 720, which will be in their budget. Hope you understood rounding off or estimating the answer of an addition problem. So there's no sum given in this topic in your lesson. So we'll move on to the next topic, that is story sums. So for doing the story sums, we should know some keywords of addition. Only when you know these keywords, you can go on and do the sums, right? So what are the keywords? Sum. Then sum, it means the total that you are getting after addition. When you are adding two numbers, the answer you are getting is called as sum. Okay, and total is also the number which is related to addition in all and all together. If you get all these words in the word problem, okay, then you know that this word problem is a addition word problem. Okay, so now let's do it. Solve the following story sums. Kiran and Sasha went to a farm and picked 3,452 strawberries and 4,316 mulberries. How many berries did they pick in all? So, number of strawberries, 3,452. Number of mulberries is 4,316. And what will be the total number of berries? 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, and 3 plus 4 again 7. So total number of berries is 7,768. Okay. Now the next sum, there are 1,340 apples, 2,000 oranges and 40 peaches in a fruit truck. How many fruits are there in all? So now they have given the number of apples. So how many? 1,340 apples, right? You are going to write it here. Number of oranges 2000, so write 2000 here. Number of peaches 40. So as you know, while you are writing the numbers, see the place value where you are writing which number. Okay, here you have four numbers, right? It will be ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Here again ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. It will be placed in that way, right? But here you have only two numbers, so this 0 will be placed in ones place and this 4 will be placed in tens place. Don't put it in thousands and hundred place. Understood, children? Where you are going to write this number 4040, 0 will be written in ones place and 4 will be written in tens place. Please remember that while you are arranging the numbers in vertical order. Okay, and then you add the number, you will get the correct amount. Okay, total number of fruits. Okay. I'm not going to solve this sum for you. You're going to do it by yourself. We'll move on to the next sum. Sagar and Raghav were traveling by train. Sagar traveled 328 kilometers and got off the train. Raghav got off a few more stations later and traveled 128 kilometers more than Sagar. How many kilometers did Raghav travel? So understand the question. Sagar and Raghav, they are traveling by the train. Okay. Then what they are doing, Sagar traveled 328 kilometers. You know the perfect distance that he has traveled. Okay, then he gets off the train. Right. Raghav got off a few more stations later. That is, he also traveled this 328 kilometers and he is going to travel 128 kilometers more than Sagar. So, how we are going to find the total number of kilometers that Raghav traveled? So first you write the distance covered by Sagar is 328 kilometers. More distance covered by Raghav is 128 kilometers. Add both these numbers. Okay. Then you will get the total. 8 plus 8, 16. 2 plus 16. Then 1 is going to be carried over. Right. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus that 1 will become 5. And 3 plus 1 will become 4. So 456 kilometers in total this Raghav is traveling, right? Now in a school library there are 450 books on mathematics and 225 books on history. How many books are there in all? So number of mathematics books is 450. Number of history books 225. So add both the numbers, you will get the total number of books in all. Thank you children, hope you understood, and with this your addition chapter is over for your class 3. Thank you. Bye.